Now for the same displacement diagram, we'll draw the cam profile. So cam profile. So first, for the case follower axis when passes through the cam axis. So draw a circle. So this circle is a minimum circle. So the minimum radius of the cam is 3 centimeters. So draw a circle with minimum radius given. This will be given minimum radius. This is minimum radius of the cam is 3 centimeters. So draw a circle with the minimum radius as 3 centimeters and draw a vertical line upwards. Now after drawing the minimum circle with minimum radius 3 centimeters, now divide the portion into the given degrees, that is outward 150, 30, 120 and the remaining 12. Now remember, if it is clockwise, start the angle measurement in anti-clockwise direction. Suppose if the cam rotates anti-clockwise, then angle measurement should be in clockwise, opposite way. So now for the present problem, it is clockwise, so that's why angle measurement should be taken in anti-clockwise. So 150 starts from here, 150, the next 30, next 120 and the remaining is 12. So after dividing the outward, dwell, return and dwell, now divide the outward part, that is 150 degrees, into again 6 equal number of parts. That means 150 degrees divided by 6 will be 25 degrees each. So mark 25, 50, 75, 100, 125 and 150. So mark it into 6 equal number of parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 equal number of parts of angular divisions. After dividing, draw radial lines from each of these points, from center to these points. Name it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Next, draw a roller. Since it is a roller follower, draw a roller of dia 1.5. This is already. So it's a roller follower. It's a roller follower of 1.5 centimeter dia. So 1.5 centimeter dia or radius of 0.75. So draw 0.7 from here to here, 0.75 mark and the compass, and draw a circle of 0.75 radius or 1.5 centimeter diameter. Draw one more circle from center of the cam to center of the roller, from here till here, roller, and draw the circle. Now plotting of points on these radial lines. So for outward, so look at the displacement diagram. So this displacement diagram, this one. So measure this small distance, very small distance, 1 or 2 mm. So this very small distance, 1 or 2 mm, and measure this 2 mm and show it. So this from the inner circle, mark with the 2 mm, mark the point. Similarly for second line, that is line 2, measure the point from the displacement diagram, so almost around 7 mm, and represent on line 2. So on line 2 So measure 7 mm and mark the point. So with 7 mm mark the point. Similarly, so for line 3, similarly for line 3 or point 3, from the line 3, that is 1.5. So from the inner circle on line 3, measure 1.5. So measure 1.5 from inner circle of line 3. So again from inner circle, next again from line 4, measure the distance from point 4 from the below line 4 is 2.2 centimeter. So again on line 4 from the inner circle, show the 2.2 centimeter. Similarly for line 5 and line 6, we have to do it the same way. So same way, show it for line 5, show the angle on line 5, and lastly the line 6 will be 3 centimeter, as we know. Line 6 will be 3 centimeter. So here. So this was about. Now join this with the smooth curve. So join this with the free hand. Join these points with the smooth curve till your base, till the base. Now for this dual portion. So directly we can take the arc. So take an arc from the center till this last point curve, and draw an arc from the last point till the next dual. So this is for the dual period or for dual portion. So simply draw an arc from center to the last point, draw an arc. Now the return, again we have to plot the points. So plot the points from here. So first take the 6. So mark it from the inner circle. So here, show it here from the inner circle, it's here. Now for point 5. So for point 5, so this is for the return. The return for the point 5. Mark the point from base to point 5. So on the line 5, so these lines are, so this is 6, this is 5, this is 4, this is 3, this is 2, this is 1 and 0. So now for the line 5, for fifth line, measure the same distance, that is from the from pipe to your base to your, and from the inside line, from the inner line, mark the point. Similarly carry out for point 4. So for point 4, line 4, for the return, show it on the line 4 from the inner circle, so mark it. Similarly for line 3, so line 3, so measure with the compass or with the scale, show it on the line 3, project it on line 3. Similarly for line 2, show it on the line 2 of return, somewhere here. And lastly for line 1, so line 1 very small, show it on the line 1 very small. Now join this with the smooth curve till the 0. Now the dual, again the dual is again a straight simple circular curve. So this cam profile, drawing of cam profile is over. Now after drawing the cam profile, draw a simple roller 1.5 dia or 0.75 centimeter from each of these lines. So after finishing the profile curve, so draw simple rollers on each of these radial lines. So this was a drawing of cam profile, and this is the follower. So this was about the cam profile when the follower axis passes through the cam axis. That means the follower axis, this axis passes through the cam axis. So next, the follower axis when is with the offset.